Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some common mistakes in English. Mistake in vocabulary is remember me to lock the door is wrong. Remind me to lock the door is correct. Next sentence is in grammar. I very like this song. Wrong. I really like this song is correct. Or you can say I like this song very much. This is also in grammar. I have visited France in 2010. The sentence is wrong. I visited France in 2010. And you can also say this I have visited France. Again, a grammatical mistake is she said me that she was happy. This sentence is wrong. Correct is she told me that she was happy. Either you can say that she said that she was happy. Again, the vocabulary mistake is John did a mistake in the test. Big no for this sentence. Correct is John made a mistake in the test. Bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.